All right. Hi, guys. It is Wednesday and it is time for our mental math. We are going to be comparing some numbers greater than, less than, and equal to. Make sure you have a piece of paper or a whiteboard. Remember, this is quick. It's mental math. I will give you a few seconds to write down the numbers and figure out if it's greater than, less than, or equal to, or you can just say it out loud. Even though I can't hear you, I still want you to answer me just like you would in class. You don't have to raise your hand, though, because you are the only one there. So calling out is acceptable right now. We can break that rule. But remember, it's going to be quick. If you want to pause it, you can pause it, of course, but we're going to move along just like we do in class because mental math is meant to be quick. All right, so 157 is greater than, less than, or equal to 152. Remember, with our symbols, we imagine that this is a mouth, Mr. Big's mouth, and Mr. Big likes to go after the bigger numbers. Right, so 157 is greater than 152. All right, let's check out our next one, 349 and 649. All right, so we have some numbers that are similar here. We both have 49s, right? But the thing that is different is our hundreds place. So 349 is less than 649. And let's take a look at our last one, 780, 770. Very similar numbers. Both have 7 in the hundreds place, both have zeros in the ones place, but it's the tens place that makes the difference here. So 780 is greater than 770. Awesome. All right, let's take a look at level 2. Here we go. 878, 882. So when my number in the hundreds place is the same, I go to my next place value. So my next place value is the tens. So I have 7 tens and 8 tens. 878 is less than 882. All right. Ooh, get that guy out of there. Take a look. I think he's just going to be in our way for right now. Can't move them. All right, 762 and 678. This one is an easy one because we have a 7 in the hundreds place and a 6 in the hundreds place. We don't have to go any farther. And we know that 700s is more than 600, so 762 is greater than 678. And our last one, 450 and 540. So we have all the same digits, but they are in different places. So 400 and 500, we don't have to look any farther. The hundreds place tell us the answer we're looking for. So 450 is less than 540. Excellent. All right, level 3. Here we go. All right, greater than, less than, equal to 987, 978. They're trying to trick us, but don't let them. 900s and 900s, can't use my hundreds place. 8 tens and 7 tens, I can use that. So greater than, less than, or equal to 8 tens, 7 tens, 80 and 70. 80 is more than 70, so 987 is greater than 978. All right, 606 and 660. So 606 and 660 both have 6s in the hundreds place. We go to the tens place, though. We have a 0 and a 6. That is a big difference. So 0 is a lot less than 60. So we know that 660 is less than, 606 is less than 660. And for our last one, 461 and 451. Same number in the hundreds, same number in the ones place. We need to compare the tens. 6 tens and 5 tens. 6 tens is more than 5 tens, so 461 is greater than 451. Excellent. All right, guys. See you in our math message.